Future perfect continuous tense. Avoiding confusion with other future tenses. Hello there, language learners. Welcome back to our series on English verb tenses. Today, we're stepping further into the future with our topic. We're going to delve into the future perfect continuous tense, and specifically, we'll be addressing a common challenge, confusing it with other future tenses. Let's get started. First, a quick review. The future perfect continuous tense is used to talk about an action that will start in the future, continue for some time, and then end at a specific point in the future. Its structure is, will have been, plus verb ing. Example, by the end of the year, I will have been working here for a decade. It's about duration and completion of an action in the future, but it can easily get confused with other future tenses. One common point of confusion is with the future continuous tense, which is used to talk about ongoing actions in the future. Its structure is, will be, plus verb ing. Example, I will be working on that project all day tomorrow. Spot the difference? The future continuous tense doesn't communicate completion, just the continuation of the action. Another tricky one is the future perfect tense. This is used to express a future action that will be completed before some other action or time in the future. Its structure is, will have, plus past participle of the verb. Example, she will have finished her homework by dinner time. Here, the focus is on the completion of an action in the future, but it doesn't convey the ongoing nature or duration that the future perfect continuous does. So, how can we avoid mixing these up? Here are some pointers. 1. Context is key. The context of the sentence often gives clues about which tense to use. Remember, future perfect continuous is all about duration and completion. 2. Keyword spotting. Look out for keywords such as for, since, or a specific future time frame which often indicate future perfect continuous tense. 3. Practice. The more you use these tenses, the easier it becomes to pick the right one. And that's a wrap for today's lesson on avoiding confusion with future perfect continuous tense. Remember, English is a complex language and it's okay to make mistakes as you learn. The important thing is to keep practicing, keep learning, and over time, it will become second nature. Until our next video, keep shining, language learners.